What are smart contracts on a blockchain and how do they work? Let's go. Hi and welcome. A smart contract is a self-executing program that automates the actions required in an agreement or a contract. Once it is completed, the transactions are trackable and irreversible.
You want a good crystal meth?
A good way to envision a smart contract is to think about a vending machine. When you have put in the correct amount of money and push the item button of the item of your choice, that activates the smart contracts and you will receive your chosen item. Smart contracts create trusted transactions or agreements between anonymous parties without the need of a central authority or a legal system. Smart contracts are scripts that automate actions between two parties. The smart contract itself doesn't contain any legal language or terms or an agreement. It's only code that executes an action when specified conditions are met.
Ja.
Smart contracts were first proposed in 1994 by nickszabo, an American computer scientist who conceptualized a virtual currency called bitgold in 1998, around 11 years before Bitcoin was introduced. Szabo is often rumored to be the real Satoshi Nakamoto, the anonymous Bitcoin inventor, which he has denied. Szabo defined smart contracts as computerized transaction protocols that execute the terms of a contract. He wanted to extend the functionality of electronic transaction methods, such as points of sale, to the digital realm.
Hey, why? Oh, that's why.
In his paper, Szabo proposed the execution of contract for synthetic assets, such as combining derivatives and bonds. In his paper, he wrote, "These new securities are formed by combining securities such as bonds and derivatives such as options and futures in a wide variety of ways. Very complex term structures for payments can be built into standardized contracts and traded with low transaction costs due to computerized analysis of these complex term structures." As I said before, the smart contracts doesn't involve any legal language or any terms of a contract. Instead, the script only contains if, when, then statements, functions, module imports, and other programming that automates these actions between two parties.
Yeesh.
Because smart contracts executes agreements, there's a variety of use cases. And a simple use case is when one party buys something from another party. And the structure of the smart contract can differ a lot also. When I buy something from this other party, my money transfers to this smart contract, and it can be structured in a way that the party I'm buying from gets the funds from the smart contract upon the product getting delivered to me.
I'll make that deal.
And in the future for smart contracts, there's a lot of use cases from real estate transactions, stocks and commodity trading, healthcare, supply chains, and there's a long list. I would say that there are three big pros when it comes to smart contracts. And the first one is the efficiency. It speeds up the execution of contracts. And the second one is the accuracy, that there are no chance of human error in the execution of the contract. And the third one is that it's immutable. The programming cannot be altered. Once the smart contract is on the blockchain, it cannot be changed.
I will never change. Never, ever.
And so what is the cons with a smart contract? It is that it's permanent, that it cannot be changed. So you have to rely on the programmer to ensure that the code is programmed properly, and there is no loopholes that can be exploited in the code.
We fucked up.
So which blockchains has smart contracts? Ethereum had smart contract capabilities from the beginning. That was the whole point with Ethereum. And Bitcoin was pretty late. It was as late as with a Taproot upgrade that it was possible to make smart contracts on Bitcoin. And looking at the other blockchains, there are pretty much all of them. Is it possible to make smart contracts on? It's today it's a must in crypto for smart contract capabilities.
Seriously? Yeah.
The most common way people interact with the smart contracts are through decentralized apps. When they, for example, buy something in the app, or they're on a decentralized exchange, for example, when you buy something through a liquidity pool, there is a smart contract that controls the liquidity pool that you interact with when you're making a trade on a DEX. Okay, to summarize this, smart contracts are written code into the blockchain to execute actions that two parties have agreed upon outside the blockchain. And by automating these actions, you remove the need for intermediaries, and you remove the need for these two parties to trust each other. And if there's something else you want to know more about, comment that down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all of that. And that's it.